Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, as you can see, we are in my bathroom. That's why the lights and maybe sound, I don't know how it's gonna sound on the camera, but anyhow, I just came back from dinner with my friends, and I thought to maybe show you my nighttime skin routine. So here we go. Okay, first, okay, so first I just want to pull this all hair up. Okay, that's it. And now the first thing I use is this L'Oreal Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. I have been using this for years now, and I love it. I tried many other things, but this is the one that I really like. So, and it works for me perfectly. So let's do this. Yeah. If you guys like this kind of videos, makeup routine, skincare routine, or anything like this, or any other videos that you would love me to shoot for you guys, please let me know down in the comments. I would really like I would really like to know, so I can shoot the best content that I can for you guys. Okay. So this is it. My eyes are done. The next thing I use is this L'Oreal again, micellar water for normal to oily skin. Okay. I have been using this micellar water for almost a year. I think it's in my, you can see it in my, oh my god, I can't talk. It was one of my monthly favorites, I think in January or February, so that means like I have been using it for whole year now, so I really like it, and I highly recommend it. If you need good and affordable micellar water for taking off your makeup, this is the one to use. Just try it out. Sorry, I'm disappearing, but not to make too much mess here. Okay, the next thing I use, and it was also in one of my monthly favorites. I'll figure out which one, and I will link it somewhere here, anywhere. Are these Olay dry to wet wipes. You just put a little bit of water on them and rub them like this until they are kind of soapy, get soapy, and then you just wipe away the rest of your makeup. Yeah, just like this. And then you just use water and the wipe to clean your face. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. My face is half clean. Well, my makeup is off, so now I will jump into the shower. I like to shower at night. I just like the feeling to wash up the day, all the troubles, all the stress, and everything, just to wash it away and go to bed clean and nice. So I will, of course I'm not going to show you that, and in the meantime I will brush my teeth also, because you don't need to see those things, of course, right? Okay. I'll be right back. And I'm back again. I just did have my shower, brushed my face. The step I forgot to show you, and it's because I usually do this while I'm in the shower. I don't know why, I just do, it's habit. Is I again cleanse my face with using Clarisonic Mia and Cetaphil Oily Skin Cleanser. It's my favorite. Again, I have been using these two combined for years now, and this is my favorite cleanser in the world so far. I use some other cleansers in the morning, but usually if I do a whole routine, which I normally do, then I don't cleanse my face in the morning. I just don't want to overdo it. But to stop talking, let's continue. Then I, after all cleaning my face and making sure that it's perfectly clean, I put Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. It's another thing that I have been using for years, and it's one of the best serums in the market right now, at least what in my opinion, I think. I just tap it in. I just take like drop it on my palm and just put it on. Next thing is again Advanced Night Repair Eye from Estee Lauder. I don't know if it's okay. So that's another thing that I use. The only thing I hate, it's really hard to get into it, and I think I mentioned in my monthly favorites video that I lose the plastic spoons that comes with it. So I just gently go around my eyes and then tap it. Okay, that's it. And the next thing I do is moisturizer, which if you watched my previous video, it's currently Tatcha Water Cream. So I would just use a little bit. Oops. It's really light cream. It was really easily to put it all over the face, and then I just massage my face nicely, and my neck always pushing upward. Okay, and so there it is. This is my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you liked it, and if you like these kind of videos, if you prefer makeup videos, skincare routine videos, or anything like that, please leave the comment down below. Of course, also please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I would love to have you in my YouTube family. That's all for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!